Hey there, my name is Kat. This is your astrological forecast for Thursday, October the 28th. You're watching the Soul Sister channel. We are going to get started by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher self by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the negativity. We can see it just flowing out of our bodies. In its place, we see this beautiful white light made up of white light, love, and the will to good. We see this light filling our entire bodies and then going out and forming a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Scorpio affirmation. Spiritual warrior am I. From the battle, I emerge triumphant. We're going to say the affirmation together and we'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. Spiritual warrior am I. From the battle, I emerge triumphant. Good work. Well, I don't know if anyone watched yesterday, but we are right into that affirmation. We are working with our power this week. Yesterday we talked about our power. Where there was disagreements with our ideas, whatever new, we have something new we're trying, and we got kickback yesterday because people don't want to change. Well, I don't know how it worked out for us yesterday, but we can put that same energy, apply it to today, and then ramp it up, because now the moon has left Cancer of, I just want to stay safe and secure. Don't change anything. It might not be the best, but at least I know it. Well, now the moon is moved into Leo. I am the power. So what that looks like for us today, we are going to come up against those, whether it's the other, the partner, or the group, or the coworker, or the boss, whatever dynamics it is, we are going to come up against someone who really doesn't go along with what we're up to. And they are going to use power, manipulation, and control, power over us to get what they want. So this is a perfect day to get in touch with our power, to learn about it, to become familiar with it, and then how we hold it, how we do not give it up unless it's consciously. Now, we have to do that today, but we also have another challenge, because no matter who's coming at us full on, we have to remember to honor where they're coming from. Even though they are completely full of shit, even though they are taking what we know is a great idea, project, strategy, innovation, even though we know it is good and it's realistic and it's practical, no, I want the power over you. I'm not going to let you have any acknowledgement for that. And that moon in Leo is all about acknowledgement and appreciation. So today we're going to watch. We have to watch out because there's going to be people out there who want to take our power and take what truly we deserve, acknowledgement and appreciation, and take it for themselves. And we can vice versa that. I hope we aren't doing the same thing to someone else so that we can get what we want. Tricky day. Watch the energies. Don't give your power away, but don't use it over anyone. Use it to honor the other, but hold true to what we know is true for us. Whoa, heavy duty, heavy duty. Well, it is. I mean, it is the sun in Scorpio. It's not like it's going to be any like tiptoe through the tulips. Scorpio, don't mess. Scorpio lays it on hard and heavy, especially with this power and understanding it, because we have always given our power away to others unconsciously by allowing them to tell us we're not good enough, we're unworthy, yada, yada, yada. That's power over. So remember that when somebody tries to use that against us. Wolf spirit, turn knowledge into wisdom. Armadillo spirit, set healthy boundaries. And electric eel spirit, bring your ideas to life. So, what Spirit wants us to know today is a lesson day. And Spirit loves our idea. Whatever it is we've been cooking up or what we're thinking, Spirit loves us. Loves it, that Spirit wants us to keep going and keep moving forward with it. But I'm going backwards with the cards today because I just feel it. I can do what I want. But we have to set healthy boundaries. We have to know. It's the power thing, guys. We have to not allow people to compromise us and our worth and what we're working on. Setting healthy boundaries while we honor the other. And then turning knowledge into wisdom. This whole day is about learning about our power and then learning how to access it, learning how to use it consciously. And then once we get familiar with that, then it becomes our wisdom. We see around us, we are watching the dynamics today of how power is used, how it comes from within and how it is used over others to control through fear usually. And we turn that knowledge into wisdom. Good stuff. Keep working. Hold your power, but don't use it over anyone. Boom. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational messages. If you like what you see on the channel, please like, subscribe, and share because I would greatly appreciate it. I learn and grow from all your comments. Remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, life is lived from the inside out. That's where the power is, baby, right here. Have a great Thursday. Hold your power. Don't give it away. Namaste.